Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is
It's a picture.
No, it's not. Today is our third night here in Cebu, and we've just been done eating our dinner. It was a very yummy food actually. I love it. It was Filipino food, right? It was good, right? Yeah. Good, right?
Yeah.
Yes. But then we came here and then it's flat tire. Oh my god. But I think they can fix it. They said
They don't.
My father said they got tools, and this is my mom. That's my mom in pink, and my sister, and then the baby riding. This one, he also got a YouTube. Invite them in your YouTube then.
Subscribe to my channel.
What's your channel?
To make me have 50 subscribers.
Oh, you don't have yet? Okay, then so that boy there. So na siya meron siyang YouTube channel then, and he wants to have 50 subscribers daw. Kaya yon, Carl Tuting daw yung niya. So yun guys, update ko lang kayo very quickly.
From hard work to more harder.
Exercise tayo tuwing umaga.
Kuya, meron akong tanong. Umaga ba ngayon? Hindi pala eh. Basta mali po kayo.
Okay. Ano dyan?
Mao pa na na-flat rin. Ginailisan na.
Mao pa na ang flat. Mao pa na ilisan.
Mau dito kayo nang gahi kiniliko.
Kung sakto
That's
lang.
natin when don't it's so hard.
Hindi yung utot.
Huh? So before when we right turn by it's so hard.
Now he realized why it was too hard because it's flat.
Diyan mi nakadungog ko dahil liko sa hotel ba. Kami doon.
Padung dito?
Kasi ito nagkagay din.
Padung dito lagi.
Oh, pangato na to paingon ba wa pa sila.
Oh my god.
Kaya nagsisit.
What was that?
Kamana ba?
What? Oh my gosh. But good thing it's prepared. My tools.
Thank you for the flash.
Nya, unsa man yung ikasulti ani nga nagbarog naman mo amo man itabang.
Dili mo tabang kay busog.
Magulo na Na.Flat ka wakadaog.
Nagpasalamat ko di nga ang Na.Flat diri dapit sa right side ko kaysa sa left side pa si Martin mapasingan lan. Di ba? Unsa man mo? Unsa may balita na to ma? Unsa may kasulti?
Si nakadaog sa YouTube ba? Si kinadaganag.
Atik pod.
Ay, sa diri lang.
This one
Unsa ba?
fits on you.
Unsa tayo? Unsa may kasulti?
The one you're wearing now fits on you.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Hi, Loy.
Yes.
Tawa.
How is me?
How are you?
It's okay me.
Duh.
Yes.
Hi, Dan.
How is me?
How are you?
Me
Answer.
not fine.
Why?
Because
Because
utan munggos.
his chicken is so bloody.
Hello guys,
What's up, guys?
what's going on?
Aloha, guys.